Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Digitalbasics 2.1 channel Dolby Atmos TV soundbar speaker, Bluetooth. 120 watt output with 70 watt external wired subwoofer and Opt&AUX cables, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. With Dolby Atmos Certificate. This 2.1 channel soundbar combined with wired subwoofer is equipped with advanced Dolby Atmos technology, delivering a comprehensive cinematic experience with breathtakingly realistic surround sound for your TV. Immersive 3D sound experience. The sound quality is incredible. The 120 watt output combined with the 70 watt subwoofer really delivers deep bass and clear audio that makes movies, music, and games so much more immersive. Setting it up was super easy. Its sleek, modern design complements any room, making it both functional and stylish. Multiple connectivity options. Connect effortlessly with versatile input choices, including Bluetooth, AUX, Optical, Coaxial, HDMI, eARC, and USB, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. Built-in equalizer, nice touch. You can easily adjust the sound to your liking. Highly recommend it to anyone looking to upgrade their home audio system. Supports button and remote control operations. We've thoughtfully designed an LED display for you. Through the LED display, whether you're using the buttons on the soundbar or the remote control, you can clearly see the current mode as well as the volume level. The maximum volume is 32, with a decibel level of 120 decibels. Furthermore, with the remote control, you have the freedom to activate the 3D sound effects, adjust the bass and treble, or even turn off the LED display by long pressing the 3D button for 10 seconds. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.